Hello there. So today we're making rice and lentils together. One pot dish inspired by Mediterranean Mujadara. You would love it. Let's start by washing our hands. For this recipe, you need equal parts lentils and rice. I have 2.5 cups brown and green lentils. Same amount jasmine rice or any long grain rice you have on hand will work. 1 large onion, half a teaspoon of vegetable bouillon, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, salt to taste, 1 small stick of cinnamon, curry powder, fenugreek, and some oil. So I have the water above the rice about 2 inches. All right, this is all the water we're going to be using to cook the entire dish, including the rice. Parboil the lentils for about 15 minutes. Next step, we're frying our thinly sliced onion till caramelized and crunchy. Our oil of choice is cooking olive oil. And you may use any other cooking oil you have on hand. Vegetable oil or any other kind, even avocado oil would be great for this recipe. And feel free to fry your onions in batches if you're not using a lot of oil to do the frying. Remember, our initial goal is to fry these onions till crunchy, crispy, and caramelized. Overcrowding the oil will defeat that purpose. And we have been boiling the lentils for 15 minutes and they're now al dente, so the texture is just right. They're not near that stage where they're almost about to become mushy, and that's exactly how you want them. Our onions look great. Let's take them out of the oil before they burn. Place your onions on a paper towel lined tray or plate so they can stay crunchy. Time to combine the rice with the lentils, and we want to do the very important step of washing the rice until the water we're washing the rice with becomes clear. Now it's time to add the salt and the bouillon, followed by the rice. It's best practice to hold off on seasoning with your salt until the lentils are parboiled. This way, the tenderization process of the lentils do not become delayed. Time to also place the cinnamon stick in there so it can start releasing its flavor. And the last batch of our onions are done frying. Now we're going to store some of the oil we fried the onions with for later use. Because at this stage of the cooking, we only need a fraction of the oil to continue. To amplify the flavor and fragrance of your spices, toast them first in the oil. The fenugreek, cumin, and the curry. We're also going to grate in 1 clove of garlic. You may also finely mince the garlic, and the toasting should take under 30 seconds. Not exceeding, friends, otherwise everything will burn and become bitter. Quick swirl is heated up, take it off of the heat, and pour into the rice and lentils. The rice and lentils have been cooking for 5 minutes with the lid of the pot off and on medium heat following the addition of the rice. Now stir properly until all the components in the pot are distributed evenly. Then turn the heat down to low. My heat level goes up to 10, like in most traditional stoves. All right, so I turn it down to 2. Place the lid on, cooked for 30 minutes, undisturbed. And now here's what we have. Notice the fluffiness in this pot. Fluffy and yet very tender, and you'll see what I mean. Fluffy is the only way you must enjoy your rice and lentils, your mujadara. Continue fluffing it up with a fork while looking for the cinnamon stick. And there it is. Remove that because we don't need it anymore. Thank you, cinnamon. Have a great rest of your life. Now let's add the fried onions, which is everything in this recipe. You really just cannot overdo it with the fried onions, friends. It is the star of the show, friends. Yes, now you want to fold your crispily fried onions into the rice and lentils. Continue to add some more until you are satisfied, friends. And you'll see when you replicate this recipe that the fried and caramelized onions are such a brilliant addition, friends. You'll enjoy it so much. Time to serve our mujadara. Our rice and lentils are ready. And notice again how it pours with so much ease because it is cooked fluffily. Now we want to just garnish with a little sprinkle of some fresh flat leaf parsley or cilantro, or any herb you like to garnish with. That will be fine. We want our serving platter to look presentable and absolutely gorgeous, and that is exactly what I'm talking about. Looks mouth-watering and you want to dig in. On this day, I served my husband a whole red snapper fish fried, some lime for the fish, a green chili sauce, and also a fresh salad made with carrots, cucumber, avocado, onions, and a light vinaigrette. This dish went down so well, friends. You see how fluffy the rice is? Yes, it's fluffy. Now let me show you how tender it is. By balling it up into a fist. Friends, I hope you all inspired to try this beautiful recipe. I thank you for joining me today. I thank you also for your love and support of this channel. Make it a great day and have fun, especially in that kitchen. Thank you, beautiful person, for watching the video all the way to the end. Kindly leave me a comment and subscribe down below. And don't forget to share the video as well. Also, watch more videos. It is chop time, and here in Anaba's kitchen, chop time is always yes, friends. So pull up a chair. We are all friends and family here.